come back. Christopher, come. Can you guys see? Everywhere is full of snow and it's still falling. So guys, we have appointment at the hospital. So that's where we are going to now. So I'm taking Christopher to the hospital, you know. So that's Christopher. Christopher, yeah, say hi.
Hi guys.
So it's snowy, guys. So I am taking him to the hospital. So I don't think I can be able to vlog again. When I'm there, that's when I will not continue vlogging because the snow is too much and there is cold. So guys, see you guys when we are there.
Kids like me, like 11 or 12.
So guys, we are there. So can you see my hair? It's full of snow. So we are there. We are going to meet there now. So that's Christopher. Yeah?
Said it's not as Spahelian.
Okay, I have to change my phone. Christopher is inside then, so they want to check. So here they said the rooms it's not free yet, so we are waiting for the room to fill.
So 36.
36, so they
Point
just
2. 36.2. And my weight, my height is 1.
yeah.
Yes, Celsius.
You say? Are you sure it's that side? So guys, we're searching for the rooms, you know. So they're arranging the bed.
Wie viele gibt's noch?
Bitte?
Wie viele gibt es?
Das was? Mach das weg. Wir gucken, ob das richtig liegt. Ja, wird ein bisschen kalt. Und das war's. So.
Take blood away.
Maybe antibiotics.
Was wollen die in den Wohnzimmer?
Das war nur Wasser. Mal gucken, ob das richtig liegt. So, bist du erstmal fertig?
I want to face drip for Christopher, so they just wrapped it because he's a child. That's why they did it like that. So you have to relax now. Relax. So I got this for photocopy, you know. So that's it, guys. So Christopher first day admission. Sorry, your bow. You'll be okay soon, okay? So guys, there is another family also that came. So we are two in this room. So those ones I have called those ones too. So we are here waiting for the doctor. And, you know, so I didn't go to school today. Christopher also did not go to school today. We are at the hospital. schon ein bisschen heiße Hände. Hast du gar nicht gemerkt? So guys, I am here waiting. It's so touching. Christopher is so, the way I'm seeing him, I feel so pity, you know, the way he was sleeping is like, oh God. Ah, I'll drop the video for you guys to watch. I feel so, they asked me to come out because they induce him to sleep. They just bring him to this room, you know. So he's trying to wake up. He's still sleeping because Christopher always open eye when he's sleeping. So he's still sleeping. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's good. It's okay like that. Because they induce him. It's okay. 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 Relax. Relax. It's not easy. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. 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 It's okay.
So guys, at this point he just woke up from the, they induced him, so he just woke up, and he was just saying different things I don't even understand. I was a bit afraid. Then I now called the doctor, the nurses. Then I came to me, I explained to me, yeah, it's narcosis. Yeah, they call it narcosis. This is how he used to, someone that go through those pain. This is how they speak. Some people when they wake up, the teeth don't worry them a lot. Why some they will wake up, they'll be talking, speaking different types of things. So that's what happened to my son. He was just saying something I don't even understand.
He's trying to wake up, so he's just speaking. I don't even know what he's saying, so he's speaking Dutch. So that's it guys. So see you when he's woke up. So bye. I'm your mama. I'm your mama. He's asking me who are you. I'm your mama. I'm your mama. It's been thy mother. It's been thy mother. Sorry, it's well. It's well. God is with you, okay? God is with you. You wake up safely, okay? It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, Christopher. You don't need to cry. So guys, this is so touching because he's asking me who am I. So I'm his mom, he's asking who am I because he's trying to wake up. Sorry, God is with you. Nothing will happen to you, okay? Why are you crying now? It's five. It's 5 fingers you have. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Relax. No, you have 5 fingers, 5, okay? As 1, 2, it's 2.
It's 4.
Mouth, one mouth.
Yeah,
Nose.
one nose and one more, but
One.
4 eyes.
It's 2 eyes. 1 eye, 2 eyes.
But there are 2 4.
It's 4. It's
But-
2 eyes.
But there are 4 eyes.
Yeah. 1, 2.
Oh, sorry.
Sorry.
1,
Uh-huh.
2,
Uh-huh.
3,
Uh-huh.
4.
No, it's 2. It's 2 eyes, okay? You're having 2 eyes. Hmm? So guys, finally we are going home. See you guys when we are home. Bye. Subscribe. That's Christopher.